Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by creating a 6-week study plan tailored to Nios exams with 3 hours daily focus study blocks and 2 longer weekend sessions. Allocate 40% of total time to understanding theory, 40% to practice questions and past papers, and 20% to scheduled revision and mock tests. Break subjects into topics and assign them to days, keeping 1 day for weak topic recovery. Schedule checkpoints every 7 days to review progress, reassign time, and ensure balanced coverage across all subjects. Use active recall techniques like flashcards and self-quizzing to memorize key definitions, dates, formulas, and processes. Study sessions of 25 to 50 minutes with 5 to 10-minute breaks work well. Complete at least 10 past papers under timed conditions to build exam stamina and identify common question patterns. Explain topics aloud as if teaching for at least 10 minutes each. This reveals gaps and reinforces memory. Create concise, 1-page summaries for each subject to review during short daily drill. In the final 2 weeks, ramp up revision with daily full-length mocks and concentrated reviews. Reserve the final 7 days for systematic revision and rest cycles. During the exam, scan the paper first, answer high-weight questions and secure easy marks, then return to harder parts while managing time in 90-minute blocks or per the paper duration. Pack minimal items for exam day: admit card, valid ID, 2 pens, a pencil, and a permitted calculator. Sleep well, hydrate, and arrive 30 minutes early to reduce stress.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.